I would say I'm a late bloomer when it comes to skincare because what I know growing up are those simple household methods. I'm 62, so I'm a baby boomer. So all I know is what my mom taught me. Like when I was in grade 5, for example, I would beat egg whites taught by my mom and then I would put that on my face. I was 11 years old, but I was already very aware of skincare because my mom was very dedicated with her skincare. She used Pond's and that's it every morning. Pond's cream. She taught me how to use egg whites, how to use papaya peel, things like this, which were household and were untouched by chemicals. And I've always been outside in the sun. I grew up in the Philippines, so you can imagine how hot it is. It's a tropical country, and we are right dead smack in the middle of the equator almost, so the sun. And then, so I was out there. I never used umbrella until I was probably in university. This year, I started to develop spots on my face, and I thought, oh, I'm getting older, so it's bound to happen. That's me. But my sister told me, no, that's hyperpigmentation. That's from sun damage. And although I'm not going to talk about hyperpigmentation today, I just wanted to let you know that even if you realize how important skincare is at an older age, it's never too late. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie D, and if this is your first time, I hope you'll stay and watch the video, and I hope you like my channel because my goal is to help build your self-esteem, to help give that boost of morale, of positivity, because our glow, our beauty comes from within. That's when our aura becomes contagious. That's when our smiles cause other people to smile. It's not because of what we see on the surface. That's just a reflection of how we shine inside. So getting older is something that we embrace because we earned our wrinkles, we earned our blemishes, we even earned our dark spots and sagging skin. We're wiser as we get older, right? And that includes taking care of our skin. Today I'm actually talking about this. Oh, I love this one. I love LUSH. I'm Canadian. So we have this product made in Canada, which is LUSH. I use a lot of LUSH products, and although they have a very short shelf life because they're very natural, so they're among the upper end when it comes to prices, but it's worth it. Today I'm going to talk about my Angels on Bare Skin. I love this one. I love the smell. So these are the ingredients: sweet almond seed, you have glycerin, lavender oil, you have rose flower extract, chamomile flower oil, and so many more. So these ones are all producing natural essential oils. And to use this, you have to take a small amount in your hand, add a little water, and mix into a paste. Massage into your skin to gently cleanse, then rinse clean. Use all over your body if you want. I just use it on my face for soft skin everywhere, but you can also use it at the back of your hands. That's why when I use this, I smell all of these fragrant essential oils. You massage it into your skin and then you wash. It almost is like an exfoliant for me because since I use this, I've been using this for more than 3 months, I felt that my pores have become finer. See, I used to have really, really big pores, but they are finer, and I have become obsessed with massaging my face with this one. 3 weeks ago, I realized how this one has improved my skin, my pores, and that was how I became even more obsessed with this one. So I'm actually doing a little bit of a product review. This is not sponsored. I go there personally to buy the products. I look through their shelf and look at the ingredients and see what I need. This is supposed to be a cleansing product, and it really cleanses the skin, and it has become like sort of an exfoliant massage for me. So they do have a website, so you can definitely get it from there. But I will say that even if you're older, like I am 62, even if you realize that skincare is important at such a late age, you can never be that late because you can still bring up the good qualities of your skin. Maybe we can't bring it all back because of course we're older, but at least we can stop any further damage to our skin. So if you're worried about your skin and you think that, oh, you're too old, that was me before, I'm just gonna blame it all on age because that's it, and I'm just gonna resign to the fact that I'm gonna have all of these. Actually, you don't have to, especially if good skin makes you feel good about yourself, and especially if good skin boosts your self-esteem, right? It's all about self-esteem. It's all about being proud and confident once you go out there, once you talk to people, once you meet people, or even just when you're looking at yourself in front of the mirror, right? And you know, they say, tell yourself, oh, I love you, oh, I'm amazing. But sometimes when you see all of your flaws, or all of your, maybe they're not flaws, but maybe they're manifestations or symbols of aging, and then sometimes you go like, oh, it's hard to love yourself, right? And that's why I'm here. I'm here to boost your morale. I'm here to show you that, hey, we are in this together. And that's why I share the products that I do, and I experiment on things. I research, I read a lot, and then I experiment on things. And when they work for me, after a while, then I share them. Because you never know, that's what our community is for, right? We share what we know, and hopefully what helps us will also help others. So don't forget, LUSH. LUSH, that's the company that makes it, and that's the brand, and then they come in different products, so it depends on what your skin needs. So check out what your skin needs and look at the ingredients. It will tell you what it is for, and I really like the effect of this in my skin. It has a short shelf span. I don't know if I should put this in my fridge, because I have this little fridge beside me where I put all of my beauty products, like my eye mask, my moisturizer, serum, and all of that stuff, my eye serum. Maybe if I put this, it will last longer. I think I'll do that. Okay. Well, if you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and share with someone who you think might need a little bit of a self-esteem, skincare boost, or beauty boost, or anything like that. Anything that makes you feel good. And also, subscribe. If you haven't done so yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and that way when I come up with a video, you get notified. Well, I post videos every weekend, so Saturday, Sunday, because I create them during the week because I work full time, and then I come up with a video every weekend. So stay tuned for my next video always, and I hope to see you there when I put that up. Don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms. I have Instagram at @TheRealD, TikTok at @TheRealD, and my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. Again, my goal is to boost your self-esteem, and together, we can empower. And of course, as always, skincare is not only what we do on top of our skin, it's also what we eat, so eat healthy. It's also what we do with our bodies, so exercise. And always stay positive, think good thoughts, and love yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.